The U1000 code in your Nissan vehicle tells you about a CAN network problem. CAN network is basically the communication between various control units in your car, like the transmission control unit, engine control unit, body control module, etc. And because of this, a lot of people immediately think about wiring problems in the ECU harness or something like that. Even though this is a possible culprit, it's not that common. What's really common is a voltage drop because of basically three reasons. First of all, check the health of the 12-volt battery. It's easy to do with a load tester since it loads the battery and checks how the voltage drops under load. If the battery is low, you may charge it, but if it's older than 5 years, just replace it with the new one and it may solve the problem. Then if the battery is healthy, you may try erasing this code with a scanner. If it doesn't reappear immediately after you start the engine, this was just a glitch and there is nothing you should worry about. And the third reason is an issue with the ground cables or battery clamp connection. Battery clamps should be tightened properly and look good, without any corrosion on them. Checking grounds is much more difficult since there are several ground points that may cause a significant voltage drop in the system. At least you can track the wire attached to the negative battery terminal and see if you can locate the main ground point. Also, in many Nissan vehicles, the ground wire connects the metal base of the battery with one of the metal body parts. A faulty ground connection or wire will cause this U1000 code from time to time, and there may be other glitchy things happening with the car. If nothing helps, the problem may be with the wiring or connectors anywhere in the system, like on the ECU, TCU, or even on one of the fuse boxes. In a lot of cases, locating and cleaning the corroded connector will help, but this is not a DIY job and you will need to find a good car electrician to track down the high resistance spots.